Alright guys, so my purpose of this video is to just talk about what we got going on. I know it's been a while since I posted again, even though I said I was going to. Got a little busy, wasn't able to video a lot of things, but right now we got teak going on. So just give you an example how bad this one is. You can just see me grab this. I know it's a mess in here as well, but you can just see this is usually how it comes. This is where the white non-skid is. This is how they usually get it on the boats, so it looks nice and pretty like this, but over time, used and abused, it turns out like this. So like this, is what that one used to look like. So I had non-skid here, went ahead, sanded that all off. You can see on this backside like that. Like, you might say, oh well, this doesn't look too bad, why don't you just sand one side? Well, once you sand this out and refinish it, it will not look the same as any other side because it's finished at a different time. I do believe this was finished in like 2008 or 9, so the finish has some years on it, which makes it darker yellow and stuff like that, as you can kind of tell on, like right here. See how yellow that is? So the new finish we're putting on is more like a clear white, so it wouldn't look as dark. So besides that, I got that one sand, I got the rocket launcher finish, I got the step to finish. Oh, let's go up here. I got a captain's chair, another captain's chair, a fighting chair, a helm pod, and 2 backrests. Currently they're sitting up here because I don't want them to get kicked and knocked around down here. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to edit this anyways because I had to pause to do something real quick. But back to what I was saying, teak. I'm gonna do a video on the teak entirely. I still have, like I said, the 2 chairs and stuff. So I'm gonna show how to sand, how to get them prepped, and how to get them back looking nice and not like that. So that video might take me 2 weeks depending on how some of this goes. Usually it's quicker, but sometimes between pouring tables, doing on-call jobs, and spraying, there's weeks where we don't do spraying at all. So that's kind of like in the lull we're in now, where we don't have any spraying jobs going on, so there's no point in trying to push some stuff out when I have plenty of tables going on. This is going to be a shadow box that's gonna have a front frame like this on it. Dylan is making me the final one. That's just a mock-up one, but yeah, I need to clean the shop up some. I cleaned that area. This still needs some love. Table saw is kind of in an awkward position just because I had to push it out of the way because we had a couple long slabs in here. So, but besides that, we have this table back. It was in her house for about 2 weeks. She just wanted to make a couple changes. She wants it shorter, and then she wants, I don't know if you guys are able to see this or not, to cut this side in a little bit so it gives it more of like a slant. This is all asked by her. There's nothing wrong with the table right now. And then I got to trim this, smooth it off into a live edge. Obviously you can tell that's not the leg. Those are actually the shelves in our house. They're wet. But right now we're using the stands while we get the leg back from Limitless Metal Designs. But those have to be dried. They're soaking wet along with those. So as you can see here, this is This is cypress. This would be about like 10 pounds, 15 pounds dry. This block is easily 40, 50 pounds right now. It's just soaking wet. I think the percentage on those are 34 to 40. But anyways, I still have that because I have not made barn doors yet to go see our friend. He's patiently waiting, but that's pretty much it. Everything's going good so far. That is a base for a cat scratcher. Here you go. I'll go back up here and risk my life. Oh, that, as you can see, it's a tree. Kind of looks like jellyfish. That's going to be the top of the cat scratcher, and we're going to make little like pads. He's gonna get like he has normal house cats now, but he wants to get Mancoon cats in the future, and they weigh a lot. But this really isn't the design I wanted. He wants like a cypress base, and I want the same, and just the cutter wheel that I had was not doing a good job of cutting them. This is mahogany. Was not doing a good job on shaping it, so it kind of looks like a volcano. But I did the best of what I had for the time being, just to show them progress. Eventually, once I get the new cutter wheel in, I'm gonna cut this down and out, cut this down a little more and out, and then all these little like root lines, I'm gonna make them deeper and round them over so they kind of look like the cypress tree himself. And then that tree is gonna get drilled into here, set in. This thing weighs 80 pounds, so enough to support the cats, and also have supports to go with that too, just in case it doesn't. But I hope to get a video out to you guys soon. I know it's been a while. I've been super busy, but I think I have one video on the GoPro right now. I just have to get on my computer and see. But anyways, hope you guys are having a good day, good week. We're gonna get back after it. We're super busy, slammed. I got let's see, I got about 15 things on the list that need to be done. Would hope by the end of this month, but I'm not entirely sure. So that's my list. It was at 24, so I'm getting there. Most of it we're working on now. Some of it's almost done, so we should be making good headway here soon. But anyways, I will have Dylan make a post on when we're going to upload the next video. This one's going to be uploaded either tonight, which is the 11th of October, tonight or tomorrow for sure. So anyways, hope to see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I can get some more interesting content out. I think this will be a good video. It'll be a very good before and after, because these things are just destroyed. And I mean, even just raw like that, they're really pretty. But anyways, I'll see you guys later.